What's up? What's up? I am coming to you today from Angel Renee's desk. Okay, so we're doing something a little bit different than our sofa talk today. Okay, it's just that I'm not at my sofa, I'm at my desk. Okay, so anywho, I want to come on and I wanted to talk to you about the energy that I'm feeling for the first part of this year 2020. Happy New Year to everyone. What I kind of just want to really just jump into it because I mean that's that. Just jump on right in. And anywho, I want to give you a quote. I do conscious quotes every day on my Instagram, and my information will be linked below for that. But I give conscious quotes every day to help us think on different thought. I give you basically thought-provoking affirmations, mantras, whatever you want to call them, things that just come to me, or things that have already been put out there, but just to motivate you or inspire you or have you to just think on things. Okay, so the quote for today is, no one can choose what thoughts you trust within yourself but you. You are the only one. And I just think that that is very true, you know, because the thing is that I can't make anyone choose a thought, right? But you are the only one who has the thoughts that come to you that you choose to identify with. You can take the ones to identify with, and you can and then the other thoughts that come, you don't have to identify, you don't have to give any attention to them, you know, so it won't add fuel to those thoughts that don't serve you. Okay, so with that being said, the energy that is over the beginning of this year, I believe if you know anything about like numbers and things like that, or if you have noticed that you are seeing certain numbers like all the time that resonates with you, if you say, oh, let me Google, let me see what this means, you know, everything has meaning, you know, everything has meaning. So what I believe is that for this season, the number 6 is, oh, sorry, moving the camera. Number 6 is going to be very, is going to be seen a lot, the number 6, because number 6 is a number of personal development. And what I believe in this season is that a lot of people are in a place of personal development. So I believe that this number came for a specific reason, to have you to understand that it also, to help you understand that personal development comes from thoughts as well. Okay, so like I said, like choosing what thought you can identify with that comes to you, because you don't have to accept all thoughts that come to you. Choose the ones that's going to help you develop yourself in a way to grow. Okay, not those thoughts that are going to keep you low and keep you at a place of fear and doubt and guilt. You don't have to serve those thoughts. We have a choice to choose and identify with thoughts that are going to help us to grow, to help us to expand who we are. Okay, and all of this, when you develop this and understand this, all that is awareness, and you actually consciously thinking. Like, conscious does not have to be, oh, this deep secret that only certain people know about. No, when you think like that, you're consciously thinking about what serves you and what doesn't serve you. Okay, so with this season, it's bringing healing, it's bringing repairing, it's bringing compassion, it's bringing regrouping, and a lot of things are going to come to light. And once these things are brought to light, then this is where you're going to learn from those changes that you have experienced in your life. Okay, and and basically understand that the things that you have experienced in your life, truly, it may not feel good, it may feel uncomfortable, it may feel like you're not going to get out of this specific situation or place. Even if it's not a physical place, it can be in your mind. Okay. And I believe truly what's really been in my spirit is mindfulness. And I believe a lot of people are trying to get their mind right, so to speak. Okay. That's what I truly believe in this season, that the mind, your thoughts, they're really going to matter during this time. So a lot of people are wanting to repair the way that they have thought all this time. Okay. And just know that you will be able to bounce back after not giving attention to certain thoughts that have maybe you thought resonated with you all these past years. But because you're actually consciously thinking on things that don't serve you anymore, that's how you're going to be able to bounce back into knowing who your true self is. And, you know, I believe that it is such a good time to find ways to help you to get to a place where you are living your quote unquote best life. You know, this is going to get you there. And just be patient with yourself, knowing that certain things that are actually valuable, it's not just going to happen overnight. It's going to take work. It's going to take patience. It's going to take you, let's just say, quote unquote, doing something the right way, then maybe not doing it the right way. Okay. So it's all going to be, it's all a journey. It's all a lesson learned. It's, you know, don't think, okay, I've gotten there, or, oh, I'll never get there. Like, don't even judge the thoughts as far as that. Because the thing is just enjoy your journey. Just know that you're going to get there. You got this. Truly, you got this. That's just what it is, you know. I do want to read, let me see something from my book. This book really stood out to me. I don't know if you can see that. It's called How to Be, oh, okay. It's called How to Be Mindful, okay? And this book really stood out to me at Barnes. Is it Barnes & Noble? Because I always want to say Borders. Barnes & Noble. There was something in here that I wanted to read. It's just like a short little thing. Let's see if it'll, there we are. You are not your thoughts, okay? You are not your thoughts, people. You are not your thoughts. Take away that attention and that thought of feelings cease to exist. It's talking about here the things that we give attention to. If you take that attention away from that thing that's not serving you, that thought that's not serving you, the feelings that surrounded by that thought, that subconscious feeling that comes about, the thought will cease to exist. You don't even have to be like, I don't want to think that no more. I don't want to think like that anymore. The thing is that just know you're changing the way that you want to think. You don't want to always think the way that you always have that didn't serve you. You don't have to label it good or bad. You can just label it as, you know, inside of you that there is some change that you want to happen that's going to put you at a state of growth in your mind. And when you are growing in your mind, that helps your heart and your mind to come together. And that's when the physical will start to change as well. Be it with people, be it with your job, be it with your business, be it with your finances, be it with your children, your spouse, whatever, your significant other. Things, when you change within, the physical changes. But because we're spiritual beings, it always happens in the spirit first. So whatever is going on consciously, subconsciously inside of us, that's when it resonates on the outside of us. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video of us thinking consciously and being more mindful about what it is we're thinking and things like that, and focusing on thoughts that actually serve us. We don't have to focus on those thoughts that don't. So I hope this was a video that, you know, will help you to become your best you. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more of me, Angel Renee, more of this inspiration and motivation, so that, listen, we're it's nowhere to go but up from here. That's all I got to say. So with that being said, peace.